take a look at a Samsung S23. Alright, we see in the top part we have some things you can pull out. Whoop. Oh, everything just started to fall apart. One of the things is these pins. You can open your phone with this if you have a SIM card part in it. Then we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. A lot of documentation, quick start guides and warranties and stuff like that. And here we have the phone. So the front has a sticker over it. And here's the back. It has 3 cameras and a flashlight. Size comparison with my hand. Let's pull that top bit off. That's always so satisfying, isn't it? This is how the glass looks like. The back is also made of glass. I'm gonna use it with a cover so it doesn't break. And that's everything that's in the box. There is no socket in the box. So you're gonna need to like load this either with a USB-C in your computer, or you need to buy one of those plugs to plug it in to be able to load this.